In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration on Windows 10. First thing you want to do, go here, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator. And here you want to write these following commands. So first, ipconfig/renew and press enter. Then ipconfig/release and press enter. Then ipconfig/register DNS and press enter. Then type in netsh winsock reset. Then type in netsh winsock reset catalog. Then type in netsh int ip reset log.txt. Lastly, you want to flush the DNS. Type in ipconfig/flush DNS. And the last thing, you want to do a quick scan. So sfc/scan now. So this might take a few minutes, so wait for it until it finishes. Next thing you want to do is restart your computer. So after you restart it, your issue should be fixed.